Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and connection. Make sure battery is above 50% so shifts are reliable. Connect to the Di2 interface with EWW111 or SMPCE02 and enter service mode on the rear derailleur. Once done, set the system to indexed adjustment so each shift step is adjustable. This is essential because automatic trimming differs from manual indexing. Now you're ready to perform micro adjustments on the derailleur motor rather than twisting a cable. You'll now make the detailed changes. Start at the smallest cog and check chain alignment visually. Adjust motor steps one at a time. Each step moves the derailleur a tiny amount, so small is precise. After each step, shift through several gears to see if the chain drops or rubs. This tells you whether to add or subtract steps. Once shifts are smooth across the cassette, repeat toward the largest cog to ensure no limit or rubbing issues remain. Finish by confirming limits and testing under load. While pedaling, run through all gears to ensure consistent indexing and no chain drop. If any rubbing appears, make micro adjustments rather than large jumps. Those small corrections are why indexing with Di2 is precise. If problems persist, check derailleur hanger alignment and return motor steps to default, then reapply your fine-tuning. This clears mechanical bias. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify hanger straightness before blaming the electronic steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.